Welcome back. Here today we are going to do short revision on the basic grammar. We already had done this, but to make it more clear for you, to make it easy for you, I have tried to provide you the base of grammar in the simplest of the form over here. And this lecture I find that is important because आगे जो lectures follow होंगे later on related to the various transformation of sentences, the base is going to be very important. So please go through it and revise as many times as you can. So we start with the parts of speech. In short, that's noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, etc. We have 8 parts of speech. Now, name of any person, place, animal, thing, etc. we call it a noun. And for example, over here, you have common noun like table, abstract noun like hope, and some proper noun like Daniel and London and all. Like Mary uses a blue pen for her notes, so Mary is a noun, pen, notes, etc. Then we come to pronoun, that is I, you, we, they, he, she, it, जो हमने डिटेल में किया था. और प्रोनाउन को हमने 2 ग्रुप में डिवाइड किया था, ग्रुप ए एंड ग्रुप बी इन अ प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स. तो आई, यू, वी, दे एक ग्रुप में जाएगा और ही, शी, इट इन द अदर. एंड अ प्रोनाउन इज यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ अ नाउन in order to avoid the repetition, like I, you, we, they, he, she, it, they, them, those. I want her to dance with me. तो यहाँ पे I, her, me, these are all pronoun. Then you have adjective over here, right? So adjective is when you describe the noun or pronoun is called adjective, like cold, happy, young, etc. The little girl has a pink hat. So here we are describing the girl and a hat with the word little and pink. So they are adjectives, little and pink. Then we also have verb, which a bit in detail I'll be doing at the end. But at present, verb means action or the state of that being, that person. Like go, speak, eat, live, are, is. Some are action verbs, some are helping verb, that is called linking verbs. I listen. So listen is action over here to the word and then repeat it. So repeat also is an action. So it becomes verb. Next we move on to adverb. Whenever you describe any noun or pronoun, to adjective कहेंगे. But the moment you describe any action, we call it adverb. So it modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, it tells how often it is done, when it is done, etc. Like yesterday I ate my lunch quickly. So yesterday, quickly, this becomes your adverb. You are adding something to the verb. You are modifying a verb. Is called adverb. Preposition, that is a relation shape of a noun or pronoun with another word. मतलब कि pre की position कहाँ पे है? This will be easy for you to understand. Like in, on, above, under, etc. I left my keys on the table for you. तो ये keys की position कहाँ पे है? On. So on the table. On becomes the preposition. Next we move on to conjunction. Joining two words, yeah, ideas and phrases together, and it shows how they are connected. Like and, or, but, fanboys as we did earlier. अब conjunction अलग टाइप के होंगे. Coordinating तो fanboys, subordinating तो because, if, even if, though, although, and we also have correlative conjunction like either or, neither nor, but also, etc. I was hot and tired but still finished it, right? So and, but. Interjection, that is when you show or you want to express happiness, sadness, excitement. It's a short exclamatory word like ouch, hey, oh, watch out, wow, oh, awesome, I passed my English exam. Wow. So that wow becomes the interjection. Now what's noun? Noun we did just now, name of any person, place, etc. Like Daniel London table. Steve lives in Sydney. Mary uses pen and paper to write letters. तो यहाँ पे proper noun भी है, common noun भी है. और happiness, hope बन जाएंगे abstract noun. तुम्हारे ideas होते हैं, तुम्हारे thoughts, इसको भी हम कह सकते हैं noun. और noun पहचानने के लिए हमने कौन सा word use किया था in the previous lectures? His या my, like my thought, my place, my idea, my dog, my table, his teacher, his city, their happiness, my hope. तो ये सब बन जाएंगे noun. तो जैसे टाइप्स ऑफ नाउन, कॉमन नाउन है जो बहुत सारे हैं. कोई फिक्स यू विल नॉट से. जब कोई पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के बारे में बात करो तो इट बिकम्स प्रॉपर नाउन. अदरवाइज इट इज इन जनरल वी टॉक, इट इज कॉल्ड कॉमन नाउन. लाइक पेन, पेंसिल, बुक, रबर, एनिमल, सिटी, गर्ल, हाउस, फूड. प्रॉपर नाउन एक पर्टिकुलर स्पेसिफिक इंडिविजुअल या प्लेस या थिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं. एंड इट स्टार्ट्स विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. लाइक जॉन, जे कैपिटल, लंडन, एल कैपिटल, प्लूटो, फ्रांस, एट्सेट्रा. फिर काउंटेबल एंड अनकाउंटेबल. Countable have a singular and plural form. It can be used with a number or a or n before it. For example, a car, a desk, a bike, a house, a cup, right? An egg. So these are called countable noun. But uncountable, you can't count it. Like water, you can't count. Milk, air, happiness. So they are sometimes also called as mass noun. But we will learn it as uncountable. Concrete. Yes, we had done it. जिसे तुम टच कर सको, जो एग्जिस्ट हो. इट रिफर्स टू पीपल और थिंग्स दैट एग्जिस्ट फिजिकली एंड दैट एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ द सेंसेस कैन डिटेक्ट. या तो तुम टच कर लो या उसे स्मेल करो या यू नो दिस आर एटलीस्ट वन सेंसेस कैन डिटेक्ट दिस टाइप ऑफ नाउन. तो डॉग, ट्री, एप्पल, मून, सॉक्स. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट वो फिजिकली तुम्हें दिखाई नहीं देगा, बट येस यू कैन फील इट. यू कैन सी, यू कैन टच, बट यू कैन फील इट. लाइक लव, टाइम, फियर, फ्रीडम, हैप्पीनेस. देन देयर आर कंपाउंड नाउन. मतलब एक ही नाउन में दो वर्ड हो, लाइक रेन एंड फॉल, सन एंड इन लॉ, क्रेडिट और कार्ड. तो यहाँ पे two or more words creates a noun. Now collective noun, team, pile, stack, flock, bunch of flowers, etc. Let's see some collective noun like flock of birds, a litter of puppies. Group of puppies नहीं कहेंगे, हम कहेंगे litter, right? फिर hive of bees, circle of friends. Pronoun I, you, we, they, he, she, it. और उसके सब पार्ट्स होंगे लाइक दे, देम, theirs, his, hers, those. Mary is tired, she wants to sleep, I want her to dance with me, जो अभी हमने एग्जाम्पल एक किया आगे. Now this pronoun family, let's see. We usually learn that pronouns are simply words which replace noun. But pronoun family has too many different members to fit into that definition. Let's see. And each member of the pronoun family has its own little family again. Like personal pronoun are the most famous pronoun family of all these families. Now, ये pronoun क्या होंगे? वो noun की जगह पे यूज होंगे, या तो किसी people के बारे में बता रहे हैं या किसी चीज़ के बारे में. Like for example, Payal blew a balloon. Payal noun है, right? उसकी जगह पे मैं she लिख दूँ, she blew a balloon. तो she represents Payal. Then our next family is demonstrative. Like that is my book, this is my pen. तो ये demonstrative pronoun family है. And it always has the habit of pointing out to the things. Clear? See, every time it points out to this or that, close or far away. So they point out at things, people, show whether something is near or far. For example, अगर नज़दीक में कोई चीज़ तुम्हें point out करनी है तो तुम क्या कहोगे? सिंगुलर के लिए this book और सिंगुलर फार अवे के लिए दैट बुक. लेकिन these नज़दीक के लिए books, those far away plural books, right? Now these are my shoes, plural और नज़दीक. This is my favorite song, नज़दीक singular. That is my sweater, दूर singular. So we use them to represent people or things which the listener already knows about, right? Now the third family is interrogative. They are always asking questions like who, whom, which, what, whose, etc. Like what is your name, right? ये interrogative pronoun है what. Sheila is my name. तो Sheila noun है यहाँ पे, right? So we use interrogative pronoun to ask questions. They take the place of the thing which we are asking about. जैसे यहाँ पे example दिया है. Now the next is indefinite pronoun, जिसके बारे में कुछ fix ना हो, is vague, is non-specific, and is indefinite pronoun family. Like someone, somebody, each, either, neither, anybody, one, etc. These are indefinite. For example, anyone can come to the festival. One must sleep as much as possible. Now, yes, we have to be very careful about this next family, and this is possessive pronoun family. Usually, they like to snatch away the things and say, this is my book. This is my pen. Right? तो फर्स्ट पर्सन में हम ये पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन कौन सा यूज करेंगे? माइन, आस. और सेकेंड पर्सन में हिज, सॉरी योर्स. और थर्ड पर्सन में हिज, हर्स, इट्स, theirs. Right? Like that car is mine. The prize will be his. House is ours. तो ये सब हुए pronoun. Right? So this now relative pronoun. 5 relative pronoun which, who, that, whom, whose. Like गौरी टेक्स केयर. अब यही वर्ड हमने यूज किए थे, लेकिन वो था इंट्रोगेशन टाइप पे, जो व्हाट इज योर नेम, तो वहां पे हमने व्हाट यूज किया. विच चॉकलेट यू लाइक, तो हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन. यहाँ पे रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन हुआ तो वो आएगा दो क्लॉज के बीच में. गौरी टेक्स केयर ऑफ द कैट विच लिव्स हियर, तो विच बना रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. जैसे यहाँ पे एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउंस है, माई सेल्फ, राइट. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन ऑल्सो माई सेल्फ, बट द वे वी यूज इन द सेंटेंस मेक्स द डिफरेंस, राइट. लाइक एम्फेटिक मतलब तुम एक चीज पे स्ट्रेस कर रहे हो, बता रहे हो, लाइक यू आर पुटिंग मोर एम्फेसाइज, इम्पॉर्टेंस, लाइक दिस लेक्चर इज गिवन बाय मी, तो आई गेव दिस लेक्चर माई सेल्फ, राइट. तो मैं एम्फेसाइज कर रही हूँ. देन देयर इज एडजेक्टिव, लाइक डिस्क्राइबिंग द नाउन, लाइक प्लीज हैंड मी द ब्लू पेपर, तो पेपर नाउन हुआ, उसको हम डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं ब्लू से. एंड अ फ्रिजिड विंड, विंड इज अ नाउन, फ्रिजिड इज एडजेक्टिव. अ फ्रिजिड विंड ब्लू अराउंड द आइसी टाउन, तो ये सारे जो येलो मार्किंग वाले हैं वो हैं एडजेक्टिव्स. लाइक रेड ड्रेस, हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट और वेदर, स्टफ टॉय, एंड टॉय अगेन इज फजी एंड राउंड. तो ये सारे एडजेक्टिव्स हैं, स्टफ, फजी, राउंड, जो टॉय को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं. फिर वर्ब हमने किया, लाइक टू कम, टू गो, टू डांस, टू स्लीप, एट्सेट्रा. फिर लिंकिंग वर्ब्स भी हैं. आई लाइक वुडवर्ड इंग्लिश, आई स्टडी देयर चार्ट्स एंड प्ले देयर गेम्स. तो ये सारे तुम्हारे एक्शन हुए, लाइक, स्टडी, प्ले, एट्सेट्रा. नाउ इंट्रोडक्शन टू वर्ब्स. ऑफ कोर्स इफ यू टेक इट एज अ फन, तो मैथ्स और ग्रामर दोनों इक्वली एंजॉयबल बन सकते हैं. And your English grammar also is a fun to learn as it helps us say and write correctly. Like we already did this parts of speech, which were 8. And just think, we use thousands of words and they can all be separated into just 8 parts, 8 groups or parts of speech depending on their function. Like doing words are kept under the category of verbs. And now we know, for example, alligator eats cookies and milk. तो यहाँ पे subject क्या है? काम कौन कर रहा है? Alligator, right? अब वो काम क्या कर रहा है? Eats. That becomes the verb. Verb also tells us what the subject is doing. And every sentence needs a verb. So let's look at some of the examples. Like she home. बहुत ही incomplete है. She is home. Here we need a verb. It's a linking verb. For example, he the ball. Incomplete. He hit the ball or he hits. I would say he hits the ball. It is complete. Now, let's see how you will find out the verb. Finding the verb in a sentence will need 2 steps. First of all, पहले तो तुम्हें वो doer को ढूंढना है, जो काम कर रहा है, subject को ढूंढना होगा. Second, ask what the subject is doing, right? And to find the subject, ask question beginning with who is doing that action. And to find the verb, ask what the subject is doing, right? ये बहुत important है. ये याद रखना कि अगर subject को ढूंढना है कि भाई doer कौन है पता ही नहीं है, तो who पूछ लो, right? And verb ढूंढना है तो what question पूछ लो to the subject, तो अपने आप तुम्हें आंसर मिल जाएगा. For example, now see here the subject. The dog barked. Who barked? The dog barked. तो dog बना subject. लेकिन जैसे what the dog did, it barked. तो what पूछा तो हमें मिल गया verb. Like the big lion roared loudly. Who roared? Lion. तो lion बना subject. हमने who पूछा तो subject मिल गया. जैसे what पूछा, what the lion did, तो what पूछने पे हमें मिलेगा verb. Like run, fly, drive, etc. Right? So we know that verbs are the action words in a sentence that tells us what the subject or the doer is doing. And it shows the action like the jumping girl, baby sleeps, man eats a burger, etc. Now we have plural and singular forms of this verb. And 3 persons also we have, that is first, second and third person. फर्स्ट पर्सन में हम क्या यूज करेंगे? आई एंड वी. सेकेंड में यू. थर्ड में बाकी के प्रोनाउन. सो लेट्स सी अबाउट दिस वर्ब्स. अगर मैं आई यूज करूंगी तो इट इज आई एम, ही इज, शी इज, प्रेजेंट टेंस सिंगुलर, पास्ट टेंस सिंगुलर, ही वॉज, शी वॉज. बट जैसे प्लूरल आ जाए तो हम लिखेंगे दे आर, दे वर, वी वर, we are. Clear? Like for example, here are your books. So for a singular subject, verb will be is, as I told you just now, and for plural it will be are. Here is your book. You will not say, see, if it is plural you will say here are your books. ऐसे वो singular बन जाए, here is your book. So book is singular and तो is, plural है तो are. Adverb when you are describing the verb or adjectives, and also other adverb को भी अगर तुम describe करो तो बन जाएगा adverb. Like she was hurt badly, तो हमने describe किया hurt को badly, बहुत hurt हुई है. Painting was beautiful, right? And he ate his food too quickly and choked on a morsel. तो ये सब कुछ जब हम किसी एक्शन को या एडजेक्टिव को डिस्क्राइब करेंगे तो हम कहेंगे वो बन जाएगा एडवर्ब. प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ कोर्स इजी फॉर यू नाउ, वी हैव डन जस्ट few moments back, but just with a definition I've given it to you over here. Conjunction, 3 types we did, and interjection is yes, your wow, great, hurrah, alas, ah, oh, all this will be your expressive word. And a bit in detail. Coordinating conjunction like fanboys, subordinating conjunction. We use it as a first word of our dependent clause और वो बनेगा कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में, जो हम डिटेल में बाद में देखेंगे. कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस लाइक दो, ऑल्दो, इफ, इवन इफ, एज इफ, एट्सेट्रा. कोरिलेटिव जब हम दो यूज़ करते हैं एक ही सेंटेंस में, बोथ, एंड, ईदर और, नीदर नॉर, नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो, एट्सेट्रा. And some examples are given over here. Like, I tried to hit the nail, but I hit my thumb instead. I have 2 goldfish and a cat. I would like a bike for commuting to work, means because I want to go to work. You can have peach ice cream or a brownie sundae. Neither the black dress nor the grey one looks right on me. So neither nor. My dad always worked hard so we could afford the things we wanted. I try very hard in school, yet I'm not getting good marks. So these are your fanboys, right? So please go through and revise. And one more later on a revision lecture in between will be given to you related to your other part of grammar that we have already done, like tenses and all, and active passive. उसका एक short revision lecture दिया जाएगा. But that will be a bit after we do few chapters of English or essays. Till then, stay safe, work hard, and be supportive in your family. Thank you once again. Take care.